Alright, YouTubers, not out on the Himalayan today. Something with an extra cylinder, so I'll pull over up in a bit and we'll take a look and see what's going on. Alright, so here we go. It's a 2023 Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Picked it up a couple days ago. This is not a new bike. It was actually used, but I picked it up with only 119 miles on it. It's the Mark II edition, which is the chrome tank with the red and gold striping on it, which I love. And spent a little while cleaning it up this morning. The dealer had it outside for a bit, so really liking it. So did a few tweaks. It did have a Royal Enfield windscreen on it, which I really didn't feel belonged on this bike. Check the oil, check tire pressures, adjusted the brake and shifter levers a little bit just to suit me. I also did the airbox snorkel delete, which is a really simple job to do. And I'll probably do another quick little video on that, go more into detail. So let's take it for a ride and so far I've put about 40 miles on this bike. Seat is super comfortable. I know a lot of people have complained online that the seat's not comfortable at all, but I find that's not the case so far. Plenty of room to move around on, and firm enough, but got enough cushion. When I first saw this bike, I wasn't really sure about the paint job, the chrome tank, but after seeing it in person in the daylight, it's just simply stunning to see it up close. They really did a nice job on it. The break-in period for this bike, the first 500 miles, they say keep it under 4,000 RPMs. Between 500 and 1,000, you can bring it up to 6,000. I guess after 1,000, it's broken in. The brakes are also really nice. I'm not having any issues with it. You know, certainly not a top-end brake system, although they do use these bi-bree calipers, front and rear. The rear brake's a little annoying. It does squeak. You give it moderate pressure, but to look into seeing about solving that issue. The Himalayan does the same thing. Not sure how much you can hear the exhaust. I can barely hear it while I'm riding. It's not too loud. Still deciding if I'm gonna look into some slip-ons for it. This Interceptor has a great horn on it. Dual horn, great tone. People can hear you. Okay, YouTubers, don't forget to ride smart and ride safe.